So this week we're exploring a new cozy hobby. I picked up this adorable Care Bears diamond painting pal. They did have a Hello Kitty version that was also adorable, but I went with this one instead. I might get that one a little later because I had no idea that this was actually an acrylic stand, because usually diamond projects are just a huge piece of paper that you stick diamonds on. So the fact that this one you can actually use as decor, I love that so much. It was around $9.99, so about $10, but I loved how much of a smaller surface it was because the big ones they usually have are harder for me to complete. I have this one here that I never even finished because the thought of continuing is so overwhelming. So if you need something simpler, I definitely recommend this one. Once you peel off the protective covering on the front, it does have a sticky surface, so this will help your diamonds stick onto it. It came with a tray for your diamonds and this stylus that you use with the wax piece to pick up the diamonds. So for this one in particular, it has a legend that you use to match up the diamond pieces with, and if you've ever done color by number paintings, this is the same kind of concept, but you're just placing down diamonds, which is a lot easier and mess-free. The only problem you may run into is accidentally dropping these diamonds everywhere because they are so tiny, and I am a bit clumsy, so I kept dropping them everywhere. You'll use the tray to hold these diamonds in, and you can shake it every once in a while to get the diamonds to flip up so that you can easily grab them without having to turn them over. If you've never done diamond painting before, you'll just push the stylus into the wax piece and take a piece of it off so that it sticks inside that stylus. You can repeat this process as many times as you want if you feel like it isn't picking up the diamond pieces to kind of like refresh it. Just a heads up, this project may take a few hours depending on how fast you go. I highly recommend doing this whenever you need to shut your brain off. Grab some snacks. I myself am a sucker for chips or anything salty. Turn on your favorite show or play some jams and just relax. Maybe you came home from a long day of work or school and you need to de-stress. This is perfect for that. One thing I ran into was I sometimes have a shaky hand and it's hard for me to keep it steady while trying to place the diamonds. So if you struggle with that as well, just try to keep your hand on something steady the best you can. If not, this may not be great for you, but I do recommend giving it a try because we aren't looking to make this perfect, we're just looking to shut our brain off. Honestly, I'm not sure why they call it Painting Pal with no paint involved, but you know what? I'm not asking any questions. The only question I have is, why did I think growing up that his name was Gloomy Bear? In fact, the cashier that checked me out also loved Care Bears and My Little Pony growing up, and we both thought his name was Gloomy Bear until I did some research. Turns out his name is Grumpy Bear, which honestly, it fits me even more perfectly. If I'm hungry, forget about it. I evolved from Grumpy Bear to Hangry Bear real quick. If there's one thing I don't play about, it's my food. The great part of this guy being mainly blue is that I didn't have to switch back and forth between colors too much, which I very much enjoyed. The back of this guy does have a protective cover on him, so if you get a little tired after doing the front, you can take a break, come back the next day, and finish it a little later, which is a big relief for someone who may not complete things in one run. But for me, if I start something, I usually have to finish it even if I want to give up. It's a big problem that I have. For example, in video games, if I'm in the middle of a quest or achievement, I will not leave the game until I complete it. For example, if there's a side quest, I have to do those side quests before I even continue with the main quest. I have no idea what that means for me, but I guess I get satisfaction from completing things, which makes sense as to why I find myself making lists of things to do in my life. I guess my life is achievement based, which actually sucks if you think about it, because if I don't achieve goals all the time, my purpose in life seems like it's lacking, which leads to self-esteem problems. But wait a minute, who just made me open up like that? Is it because I'm working on a Grumpy Bear project? It's becoming a therapeutic bear? Anyways, if you can relate, don't worry, we will get through this. Did it take me 4 hours to complete this project because I didn't want to take a break in between the front and the back? Yes. Do I regret doing it? No, because I love him. The long hours was worth it. I had so much fun doing it, way more fun than the large canvas diamond paintings, and he's now a cute addition to my desk to remind myself that it's okay to be a grumpy bear sometimes. but it's also a small reminder that I'm the one that determines what my day will look like, and today we're gonna have an amazing cozy day. This is how he came out. So freaking adorable, I can't handle it. So much better than I even expected, so definitely start off with small projects like these and then upgrade to bigger ones if you love it. I hope you have an amazing weekend and don't forget to stay cozy. Love you guys, bye!